Teaching methodology. A teacher can use a variety of methods, and she can use n number of techniques whenever she's for her daily teaching. So while choosing any method, what does actually a person should keep in mind to choose the method? So the person has to assess the advantages as well as the disadvantages of that particular method, and also one should keep in mind that the method which one chooses, it should correlate with the objectives of education, the aims of the education which we have set prior to the syllabus designing. So that has to be kept in mind. And another thing the teacher must keep in mind is that she should have this idea that what will be the conditions, what will be the specific conditions in which that particular method will be incorporated. So will it actually be executable, or will it be a success? What all amendments will be required to be done with that method? So these all things are to be kept in mind. And then we must not forget that, see, in general, what is happening? Teaching is all about interaction between the learner and the teacher. So to enhance this interaction, new instructional material, new tools, new methods should keep on being evolved and used by the teacher. That is how the interaction will be enhanced. So let us define what is teaching methodology. How would we actually define what is teaching methodology? So see, the word method actually means mode in the Latin language. So that is where this word method has evolved from. So we can define the methods of teaching as the manner in which the teacher imparts knowledge and skills while she is teaching, and students acquire this knowledge and skills in the process of learning. So you see, the method of teaching actually incorporates both the process of teaching as well as learning. So it incorporates the teacher as well as the learner. So it has to be an amalgamation of the teaching and learning activity. Both has to be planned appropriately. Okay, and another definition which is very commonly used for teaching methods is that the method is either teacher-centered or it can be a student-centered. So how does a method become teacher-centered? A method becomes teacher-centered when the teacher is the center position and she's just focusing on her own abilities, her own goal that okay, she wants to impart. She is ignoring the fact that whether what she's teaching is even reaching all the students, whether all the students are able to make meaning and develop a learning. So that is a teacher-centric approach. And when it's a student-centered approach, all the students, irrespective of the number of the students, irrespective of the type or kind of students or their background, that child will be able to make meaning. All the students will be able to understand